Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anne. As you may have heard that with the season change, your foundation needs to be changed too. Well, today I'm going to share my best foundation technique that without changing your foundation, that you can still achieve a radiant and flawless look. They're very easy to apply and it works for all skin type. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Tip number one, mix your foundation with any shimmery lotion, liquid highlighter. What I use is this one, the Jane Iredale Golden Shimmer Body Lotion. They make it gentle enough so you can use it on your face too. You mix it with your foundation and it creates this radiant look without just looking too much. So it gives you a more natural look. If you want more goldenish look, you basically, after you apply foundation, you just use it as a highlighter. You apply it under your eye and it smells good. If you're looking for a foundation that is very hydrating and also have a good finish look, add one drop of oil to your foundation and that's all you need to do. It's packed with like antioxidant, it can prevent sense of aging, it's removed fine lines and everything. There's so many beauty oil on the market. Well, my favorite is this haba sequlane oil. This one is 99.9. It's very lightweight. So oily skin, my friend, don't be afraid to try the beauty oil. Just because it's called beauty oil doesn't mean it make you feel oily. I have been using this for a while and see how much. And it's especially good for the sensitive skin type. You can use it to treat the dry hair. You can use it to treat the dry cuticles. It's perfect. I don't know what to say. Last but not least, after you apply foundation, use one of these round sponges, gently pat it on your face evenly to make sure everything is set. This step makes a huge difference. It's what makes your face look less cakey and make it look natural. And that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to give a thumb up and subscribe.